Hey my dear friends, I have made this video in such a way that everyone who is going to click it is going to find some value out of it. So without wasting much of your time, I'm Alex from Alex Edits, and right now I'm about to show you a trick that sounds like cheating when you are saying it to somebody. Actually, it's something that is not allowed. There is actually no option to do it in a normal way. So we are going to do it actually, I don't want to use the word cheating, but we are going to do it with some tricks, alright? Well, my dear friends, just before we get started, the good people of Wondershare Filmora have sponsored this episode, so I would like to introduce to you the newest assets in Wondershare Filmora 13 on their behalf. You can be on transitions, effects, or stickers. Use the search tag China Travel, and this simply means that these assets are more beneficial to travel content creators and something that is close to that. So, my dear friends, you can freely go ahead and check out the newest travel resources in Filmora 13 for your benefit. So let me start right now. When you edit your voiceovers in Filmora, there may be text-to-speech or human recorded voiceovers like mine right now. There is a way to enhance it using the Equalizer, and if you were not using it, it's best for you to start using it now. Now if you go on right here on the Equalizer, you find out that there are presets which are inbuilt in Filmora. All these presets right here, you can choose the one that you want, but let's say you want to choose one and then make some twists around it. That very moment that you twist one setting of it, it becomes a custom preset, not the inbuilt anymore. And if it's now your custom presets, there is no way for you to save it, and that's what I want to show you how. And just like my own voiceovers, the one you are listening right now, it's just a custom preset that I use in each and every project that I make using this method that I want to show you now. Alright, hit apply. Now that you have this audio in your timeline with this Equalizer preset applied, you're gonna right select it and then create a command clip. And it's best for me to name it right here EQ voiceovers preset. And now the next thing you have to do right here is to go to the project media and then right select this command clip that you have just created and then save it as command clip custom. Alright, so right now let's say you have opened the new project here and you have a new audio right here that you still want to apply that same preset of voiceover Equalizer. Alright, this is what you're going to do. Go on the command clip right here and you're going to see that command clip being saved right here, and then right here you have to drag it down into the timeline and then double select it to open the actual command clip. And right here, which is the last and most important part, we have to right select it and then copy the effects, or else you can use Ctrl-Alt-C. Alright, now go back to the main timeline and then paste these effects on this audio, and then you are done, my dear friend. The same preset is going to be applied on right here. If you double select this audio and then go to the Equalizer, you find out that there is a custom preset that is being applied right here. Well, my dear friends, if you have watched this video to this very point, well, that kind of means you like my videos. So then why don't you watch one of my groundbreaking tutorials right here? Meet you right here